Dashboards should answer a specific question in under 60 seconds. We'll define audience and decisions, design a clean layout, add the right interactions, and finish with a bulletproof QA checklist. Start with who it's for and what they must decide. Executives need trend, exceptions, and confidence. Operators need today's alerts and drill downs. Write your top 5 questions. Anything that doesn't serve them is cut. Use a simple hierarchy. Row 1, North Star plus guardrails. Row 2, key drivers. Row 3, diagnostics and drill downs. Guide the eye with a Z pattern. Limit colors. Label directly. Align decimals. Avoid pies unless categories are very few. Always include comparisons versus target and versus previous period. Add just enough interactivity. Filters for date, region, and segment. A hover glossary for metric definitions, and a visible last updated timestamp. Match refresh cadence to decision cadence. No one needs minute-by-minute revenue unless they act minute-by-minute. Before launch. 1. Confirm KPI formulas match your KPI sheet. 2. Reconcile against a trusted report. 3. Check edge cases and segments. 4. Scan for outliers. Validate surprising spikes before sharing. 5. Test load time and access permissions. 6. Publish a data dictionary link for transparency. Audience first questions, crisp hierarchy, honest refresh, and rigorous QA create dashboards people trust. Subscribe for more. Episode 7 will show how to turn charts into persuasive stories.